Hi, Len. Okay. Ito yung pinakaharap namin. There's si Daddy. Meron silang ganito. Uulan. Happy? Spacious now.
Nature regulations. To read the buffer seekers, please inform our cabin crew now. This is not allowed. Please be reminded that power banks and spare batteries are now prohibited.
Ip's up without. Ip's foot is chicken.
Make your way over to the domestic terminal. No bag will be transferred over to the domestic terminal on your behalf.
Yeah. Nak.
Handheld will need to be put away. And if you lose your device in your seat, don't move the seat. Just sit tight and ask your crew for assistance. Finally, and all bags are under the seat in front of you. Smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes isn't allowed on board. This includes in the toilets, which have smoke detectors and alarms.
Ganda ng beach, no? Paglabas mo ng balcony, ito yung view mo. Ito yung left side. Okay, so iikot ko para mas makita niyo kung ano yung view namin dito sa may balcony. Doon, andun yung surfing area. Nandun yung ano, grabe. Pwedeng mag-swimming, pwedeng mag-surf. Tapos may building din. Ayan sila. Tapos yung baba mo, ayan. Okay, dun tayo. Punta tayo dun sa kabilang side. May river dito. Ito yung river. Dito maganda ka kung kumuha si Beef. Ayan, yung background mo. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh, see? Ang ganda ng pagkaano niya. Tapos, rest na kami saglit and then lalakad na kami para mag-dinner. Tapos, bibili na kami ng food para mag-rest na kasi tomorrow, blowy na tayo. Maganda ba, Pam? Ayan, nadala ko na kayo dito sa Gold Coast, Australia. Tapos, eto naman yung room namin. Ayan na siya. Ito, dito daw siya mag-stay. Tapos doon daw kami. And that's Daddy. O, ito yung pwede ka mag-ano dito. OOTD check. This is the room. Nagkalat yung maleta. Okay. Maluwag siya. Tapos ito yung pinaka-CR. Ganda ng CR. Maayos, malinis. Okay, no, may nakalagay siya. Tapos, meron ditong lavatory, dalawa pa. O, di mag-aagawan. Tapos, yung toilet. As usual, wala silang day. So, hindi natin problema. Ayan, meron tayong dito lang tabo. Tapos, ito na siya, yung pinaka-shower.
Saan ko ba yung nilagay?
There. Ang benefit. Container box. Napipinto yung building gumagalaw. Kahit higit. Ako napipinto.
Natapos na to?
Hindi, may hanger dyan. Tapos andun yung bowl. Okay. So, pwede ka magsabi dito ng mga clothes. Okay, that's it. Ayan na yung ating room.
Saan yung isa pang ito, Guinness?
Nakuha ko! Ayun!
Naka-play.
Ano? Hindi ako marinig. Oh, iba lumapit.
As kaya isa take one. Ito yung buong breakfast. Tapos hash brown. Matukuhan natin siya. Ikit to. Ano may rice. And ito yung kabilang side is tomato. Okay, here's one. Ganyan. Pansit at saka steak bits. Kung natin siya nito. Kailangan lang pumili dito. Strawberry. Yeah. Isa lang ganito. Ayan sa breakfast. Yeah. Birthday area.
Sa'yo na lang din.
Ako na lang kakain. Sige, eat ka na. This is my food. Pepe's food. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, with the view. View. Saan kami lang breakfast. Ayan yung dalawa. Hi guys! Good morning! Outfit check. Saan? Taas mo pa. Shoes. 1, 2, 3. Baka malaglag mo ha.
Sabi na ginawa ko na naman yung dila.
Come to Bluey's World! Ayan na siya. You made it! Ito na. Nakapila na kami. Happy, excited yung mga bata. So, ano yung i-expect nila dito?
Whole house tour of Bluey.
Okay. So, dapat yan yung kanilang house.
And you're gonna see Bluey and Bingo.
Okay.
Yeah. Including their parents maybe. Alam
Okay.
mo kung ano si Mami? Si Chili.
Wait.
And there's Daddy. Bandit.
So, ayan, a lot of stuff. So, ito na meron na kami. Look at this, oh. How much? 25. Oh. Again?
No. It's a big Bluey.
Okay, sabi sa atin.
Yeah.
Ito ba? Yeah.
So, anong ginawa mo dyan? Bumili na namin yung ano. Hindi Dito na siya sa may playground Bluey. Ayun yung ano, yung store kung saan siya bumili. Kasi ito yung playground.
Oo, mabilis siya tapos
Ano? Sinahan ka na naman. Yung ano, kainan dito, yung restaurant. Hinahanap niya ako. Kasi magbe-video daw siya doon sa ano, sa side. Hintayin natin. Wala, wala. Hindi ka naman dumudulas. Ang ganda. Ang baby island. Ayan, ganyan lang. Mawala yung gamit natin dun, ha? Mga bata nag-e-enjoy. Kaya na siya kay Bluey.
Mamaya.
Okay. Ang baywagang fish and chips daw. Hindi pala, nuggets and chips. Tapos ito kay Daddy. Ayan. Yan yung kay Daddy.
Oh no!
Kitang-kita lahat ang pimple mo. Ayan, yan eh. Cinematic yan, makikita talaga yan.
Hindi, video lang to.
Bye, Bluey's World! Yeah. So, ayan na siya. Ang laki, no? 1, 2, 3. Okay. There. Look at that.
Wow, look at video tayo video.
Yan, ang patuta. Oh, what the bilis natin.
This is fast.
Sabi ko sa'yo, mabilis siya eh. Look at this.
Wow, taas.
Wow. Wheel of Brisbane. Naglalakad. Doon kami sumakay. Diyan po, ano, category. Merong IB style, merong IB's budget. Yan naman, IB's sweet.
Ang tingin ko, sweets eh.
Yeah, sweet.
Can you read it? Like that.
Yeah.
Oh, nawala yung ating car. Dapat pala, niyakan ko doon sa Bluey eh. Ayaw na yan na. May mga ilaw pa eh.
May turkey ring doon.
Turkey?
Yeah, there's also a turkey.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's go na sa Brisbane sign.
There's a turkey and bacon.
Building, no?
Hello. I don't know what kind of bird.
Okay, go. Punta mo na siya.
There's chicken.
Be careful lang. Baka masagasaan ka, ha?
Ulit ako.
Yeah.
Kunyari lang yung pinaka.
I don't know.
Kung ang lalabas, comment. Yeah, so now I can see nothing. Stay safe. You too.
Saan?
Gold Coast. Gold Coast, right? Yeah.
Dito kami kumakain
Ayun pala,
ng
oh, wine
dinner
plus beer.
sa ano sila. Kasi meron silang mga rice meal, silang seafood. So, sinubukan namin para iba-iba naman. Punta si Daddy dun sa wine, the rice, plus beer. Ayan. Anong tawag sa rice mo? With seafood yan eh. And umorder si Daddy ng spinach. Kasi gusto niya ng vegetables. So, yan pa lang. So far, yan pa lang yung food namin. So, this is my drink. That's Malibu. Malibu drink. And Daddy's drink. One shot tequila. And my meat. Barbecue pork. Okay. So, let's try na natin.
Nakatin sa atin from.
May cropek. May cropek na pink. Ha? Come on, let's go! Good morning! Day 3. Morning beef. Same view, same place, same table. And for same food. Every day yan. So, hanggang tomorrow, hanggang makalipat kami, ganyan yung kanilang breakfast dito. So, yan. Konti lang yung kumakain. So, Daddy's there. Konti lang na may choices kasi. Pero maganda yung place, maluwag pa, tapos manuwalas. Kasi ganda na yung kanilang view. See? Asa na yung ano tawag doon? Black Swan. Wala siya ngayon. Okay. So, let's eat na. This is my coffee, juice, and beef food. Share kami dun sa bread na lang.
Yun lang naman theme park dito.
Really?
Yeah.
Kasi dalawa. Ang bilis. Ang naghihiyawan. Look at that. Ano sabi?
Ang bagay ko na.
Overhype.
Overhype.
Sabi sa akin, overhype na.
Eh di lalo na si Daddy. So, sumakay kami dyan. Okay, ang ganda, nakakatuwa. Ayan, experience kung mag-drive yan. Pwede din pala yung adult. So, sumakay kami. Marunong na daw siya mag-drive kasi nag-drive siya mag-isa. What's that? Okay, we're gonna ride this.
We're gonna ride the train.
The train. Tayo pwede mag-video mamaya. Pahabang nakasakay.
Ito ba ganyan mga train, guys? Yung mga vintage. Alam niyo ba yan? This is the slowest train I've ever seen. This gonna be natapos.
Okay, tapos na tayo.
What? No! Ang liit ng harap ko. Kung dalawa lang.
Tapos na. Are you sure? Oh, see? Parang ano yun ay nasa Enchanted na. Yeah. Picture dyan. Kay Superman. Good?
Yes! Guys, are they coffee?
Waiting ng shuttle. Lipat sa kabila.
One.
Yeah. I'm so cute. Kabait niya, no? Okay, ma-interior. Cute. Ito. What else? Ang gabi.
Thank you.
Okay, putahan niya yung chicken. Oh, there. Ay, lalaki yung isa. Ito. Panghahabol to. Rooster. Nakwag. Gaganunin mo pang lalo. Ay, sige. Sige.
Ang laki nila. The chickens here so big.
Yeah. Ang tabachi, no? Pag hinabol ka niya. Knock, 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 knock. Ayun na. Yung food mo. Alis yan. Dali mo. Yung kangaroo. Di mo nakita. Okay. Ano yun? Naki na sa kabila. Okay. Hindi ba emo? Siyempre, nakakita tayo ng flowers. O, diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng flower. Ang ganda. Restaurants dito eh. Meron ganyan. Pero sarado siya ngayon eh. Okay. Ito yung pwedeng kumain dito. Okay. So, walk again. Walk very fast. Tabi, mas gasaan kayo. Paakyat yan, sige. Oo. Tagtag ang taba. Ang hangin. Oh. Pero maaraw. May init. Para lang siya statue. Thank you. Para siyang statue. First gift.
Share with the dolphin is one that we will cherish always. The time we spend with these incredible animals is so special to us. And the friendships we form, they will last forever.
Way back when, baby, you'll be always by your side.
Meron pa doon sa likod to. Oh, meron din doon. Yeah, oh! Bilis sila.
here. Sasakay kami dyan ni Will. Diba, Nonak? Are you ready? Are you ready, Jenny?
First time ko matry yung TikTok.
Yeah.
Eh, baby pa ba ako ngayon?
Ayun si Daddy.
Allowed to.
Sure. Just for our bags or this Mr. Squishy, if you want to pop inside the boxes, yeah?
Nakalagay mo daw dyan muna.
Sure. You want to pop your drinks for that?
Lagay mo din dyan. Kunin mo lang mamaya. Just tabi ng ano mo, toy. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on.
Agay, tumama pa kami. Tabihan mo ako.
Dito? Okay.
Bakit?
Where's Daddy? Ano siya? Ayun.
Tumawag ka.
Hahawak ako?
Yeah.
Why?
Kasi ikot ko.
Iikot daw niya.
Walang seatbelt talaga.
Hala.
Mami, just start na.
Huwag pa ikutin.
Ready? Here we go.
Wag! May hihil tayo. Sige ka.
Oh gosh. Oh no! Wait, it's spinning by itself.
Pigil.
I can't! It's spinning by itself! It's spinning by itself! I can't! I think we got a broken one! It's spinning by itself! Oh my gosh!
Nice.
Oh, punch a kiss! Oh my gosh! We're gonna die!
Pero okay siya.
Yeah.
Yan.
Help me here!
Parang tornado.
I know! We're in a tornado, y'all!
Okay.
I think we got a broken one.
Gusto niya sa niya. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Gusto mo yung boom, boom, boom! Kamusta yung experience mo dun sa, ano, yung pangalan na yan? Bikini?
No.
Bikini bottom? Hindi. Eh, ano?
Ano?
Whoa! Okay. What kind of bird is that?
Please help me in the comments.
Hi, pelican!
The giant. They're so big.
Yeah. Hi, pelican!
Ano to? Wild or ano? Captive? They're just playing here.
Oh. Eh.
I don't know if they're wild.
I just saw it through from above.
Whoa. So it is wild. Oh my god.
Tik na siya dito.
Hi. They're changing colors.
Yeah. It's ano na ngayon, iba na. Yeah.
Đi coi lại ngọc hùng thùng rồi.
Doon ka, sa tabi niya. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see the other. Very scary jellyfish. Oh, it's me. Look at this. Come here. Come here. What's that? Hello. Yeah. And who's that again?
Look how big they are.
Wow, ang big niya. And who's that again?
Ano ba?
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Jellyfish na naligas. Look, it's moon jellies.
Parang ganyan yung nandun sa ano, sa lagoon. Ano yung secret lagoon?
Yeah, I think they are.
Diba?
Most common daw yan. Yeah, moon jelly.
Moon jelly. There's so many of them.
Ba't ganyan sila?
Baliktad sila. Baliktad.
Oh my, kadiri.
Look, there's a fish there. There's a fish.
Ba't sila baliktad?
Ano yung upside down?
You're waiting for
You know, yeah, but
upside down jelly.
Oh, see, upside down.
the steakometer is 2 out of 5, and it can be found. It can be found sa.
Oh.
What's that one?
Fish.
Chidori. Coral reef tank. Hi, Dory.
Naligaw si Dory.
Wow, naman.
Kaya sila.
Ang liliit. Maliit nila.
Kasi, ano,
Parang toy.
I know. I think they're bees. And they're in the lab. Oh, wow.
Liit.
Oh my gosh.
Liit na paliit na paliit. Paliit na paliit. Oh, see? Paliit, palaki, palaki, palaki. Okay. Oh.
Those are medusa.
Okay.
And this.
Grow quickly into adult. Okay.
And then this. You know, before that.
Right there.
Can't even see this. And this one is polyps. And you can see them.
It's so very, very microscopic. Inner. Ay, sa ilalim. Super liit.
Ah. Yeah. Remove it.
Pagpagpunan. Wow, burger.
Malamang kanya ito.
Oo.
Let's see. Diba?
Oo.
There. Cheers.
Alright, question number 5. Question number 5. The word motel is a portmanteau of which other 2 words? So the word motel is
Big chicken. Guys, ayan yung sasakyan natin. Oh, see? To see a whale. Diba? Tayo today, ang ating day for itinerary. And we got this tag. That's Daddy. And where's Biffy? Ninaw na agad. Nandun na siya kaagad. Okay. Ganda ng view. Diba? Good morning, everybody. Ayan. Welcome back again to my channel. This is Jen. Ayun yung aking vlog. Ayan. Ang ang gamit ko dun sa vlog ko, sa ina-upload sa YouTube is ay ating DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga ganap later. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and follow. Saan tayo pupunta? We'll watch.
Esa.